Quick question. When was the last time you spent 20 minutes looking for your keys? Or stayed at a fridge with no idea what to cook? Or got a text that made you feel anxious for hours? What if I told you AI can solve all of that in seconds completely free and you are probably not using it? Yesterday, I let ChatGPT handle every frustrating problem I faced for 24 hours. Lost keys, awkward messages, decision paralysis, all of it. And honestly, the results were kind of scary. Let me show you exactly what happened. Problem 1. I lost my car keys. Normally, I'd tear apart my apartment for 20 minutes, right? But this time, I opened ChatGPT and said, I lost my keys. I got home at 6 p.m. yesterday, made dinner, watched TV, then went to bed. What should I check? AI said, and I'm quoting, check near your front door, kitchen counter, couch, cushions, or pockets of the pants you wore yesterday. Most people drop keys within 10 feet of where they first relax after getting home. End of quote. I checked the couch. There they were, between the cushions. 30 seconds. Here is why this works. AI doesn't know where your keys are, but it knows human patterns. It's like having someone think logically when you're panicking. Problem 2. Confusing text from my boss at 9 a.m. He wrote, when you get time, can you talk about the project timeline? No rush. Now, no rush usually means there is a rush, right? So I asked ChatGPT, what's the tone of this message? Is my boss upset? How do I reply professionally without sounding nervous? It said, the tone is neutral to slightly relaxed. There are no signs of frustration or impatience. Phrases like when you get time and no rush usually indicate your boss is being considerate of your schedule. It sounds like a normal professional check-in rather than a complaint. They're not upset, just checking in or wanting an update. He then went ahead and gave me options of reply that I could give. And based on my situation at the time, I replied to the boss saying that I was free at 2 p.m. to go and discuss the project. And luckily, 10 minutes later, he sent me a reply and told me 2 p.m. works. No overthinking, no anxiety spiral. AI just gave me the exact tone I needed. Problem 3. I needed new running shoes, but there were 47 options. I don't have time to read reviews for an hour, so I asked ChatGPT. I need running shoes for flat feet, budget under $120, mostly running on pavement. What are my top 3 options and why? In 10 seconds, AI gave me Brooks Mine Adrenaline GT5 24, costing $120 almost, which offers premium features within my budget. It also gave me New Balance Women Fresh Foam 86, costing $90, and told me it delivers excellent value without compromising on support. Lastly, it gave me Fitvile Men's Extra Wide Walking Shoes, costing $80, and told me it provides excellent value for daily pavement runs. It even said, Brooks Mine Adrenaline GT5 24 stands out as the outstanding choice for holistic support and cushioning, making it an excellent choice for those seeking stability. I went ahead and researched on the options it gave me and really loved the Brooks Mine Adrenaline GT5 24. I'm about to order them. This is the key. AI doesn't replace research, it filters it. You still make the choice, but you're not drowning in options. Problem 4. It's 6 p.m. I'm starving and my fridge is basically empty. I've got eggs, half a bell pepper, some rice, soy sauce and random spices. Normally, I'd order takeout for $25. Instead, I opened ChatGPT and said, I've eggs, bell pepper, rice, soy sauce, garlic powder and chili flakes. What can I make in 15 minutes? AI replied instantly, bro, make scrambled eggs with bell peppers. It then went ahead and gave me the full recipe. I followed it exactly. It was actually good, not fancy though, but better than what I expected from scraps. And here's the bonus. I asked AI, how can I make this healthy next time? It said, add frozen veggies or top with a fried egg for extra protein. Now I have a recipe I can reuse. Cost $2. Time 12 minutes. Takeout avoided. Problem 5. I needed to learn Excel formulas for work, but every tutorial on YouTube is 45 minutes long. I don't have 45 minutes. I need to know one thing, how to use VLOOKUP. So I asked ChatGPT, explain VLOOKUP in Excel like I'm 10 years old. Give me one simple example I can try right now. I said, VLOOKUP finds information in a table. Think of it like a phone book. You know the name of a friend and you want to find their number. VLOOKUP finds the name and tells you the number. Formula equals to VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quote, John, quote, comma, A2, colon, B10, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Translation, look for Joma in column A and then show me what's in column B, the second column. I tried it in my spreadsheet. It worked. First try 3 minutes. Then I asked AI, now explain if statements the same way. AI did another 3 minutes. I just learned 2 Excel formulas in 6 minutes. No 45-minute video, no ads, no fluff. Problem 6. I remembered a movie I watched as a kid but couldn't remember the name. All I knew was it was an animated movie from the 90s about a kid who goes to a magical world. There's a talking dog and I think there's a villain with a hat. I don't know. I googled it. Nothing useful. So I asked ChatGPT, 90s animated movie, kid goes to a magical world, talking dog, villain with a hat. What's this? I said, possibly Little Nemo, Adventures in Slumberland. It then went ahead and gave me reasons why the title fits. I googled Little Nemo Adventures in Slumberland and yes, that was it. King Morpheus in the top hat. This is wild because Google couldn't do this. AI understands context, not just keywords. Alright, so after 24 hours, here's what I realized. AI isn't replacing you. It's like having a really smart friend who never gets tired of your questions. The secret? Ask specific questions. Don't say, help me with dinner. Say, I have eggs and rice. What can I make in 10 minutes? Don't say, explain Excel. Say, explain VLOOKUP like I'm 10. The more specific you are, the better AI gets. And here's the thing. Every tool I used today was free. ChatGPT, free version. Google, free. That's it. I saved 2 hours, $25 on takeout, and avoided 3 anxiety spiral. Not bad for one day, is it? If you want more videos like this, real problems, real AI solutions, no BS, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm using AI to plan an entire week of meals, workouts, and work schedules. We'll see if it can actually optimize my life or I'll lose my mind. Drop a comment. What's one annoying problem you deal with every day? I'll reply with how AI can solve it. See you next week. Bye.